How to change color correction intensity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, you will see second option is Vision Enhancement. Click on Vision Enhancement. Scroll down and you will see color correction is here. Click on color correction. So if you want to change color correction intensity, you will see color correction intensity is here. If you want to change, so you will low and high, so you will change color correction intensity from here. After change color correction intensity, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change color correction intensity on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.